Usually when we talk about interior design, we focus on what we can see, right?
Yeah.
Like the lighting or the furniture.
Yeah, exactly. The paint colors, it's very tangible.
Right, you point to a mid-century chair and say, like, that is the vibe.
Right. We think of ambiance as this purely visual thing.
But so, step into a busy restaurant or, I don't know, a massive casino, and suddenly the most powerful design element is completely invisible.
Oh, definitely.
We are looking at this acoustic landscape that is secretly shaping exactly how you feel. Welcome to the deep dive, by the way.
Thanks. Yeah, today we're pulling the blueprint on that hidden audio architecture.
We are. We're unpacking a single, unsung hero of public spaces, which is the spec sheet for the QSC AcousticDesign loudspeaker.
Specifically, the AD-S8T-BK, which is it's an $800 surface mount commercial speaker from HDTVSupply.
Right. And we really want to know why you should care about these hidden devices hanging around shaping your mood.
Well, I mean, before the speaker can even survive the physical chaos of a retail store, it has to, sound impeccable.
Yeah. And it has to be powerful. It peaks at a 119 decibel max SPL, along with a 200-watt RMS power handling.
Wow. 119 decibels.
Yeah, which means just one of these hanging from the ceiling can comfortably overpower the roar of a busy casino floor without distorting.
And it has that crazy frequency range too, right?
Right, 55 hertz to 20 kilohertz, so it's capturing all of that detail.
Okay, but volume is one thing. Blasting sound usually means whoever is right underneath gets totally deafened.
Right, yeah, nobody wants that.
So the secret to this speaker is a technology called Directivity Matched Transition, or DMT.
Exactly.
Think about lighting. Like a typical speaker acts like a harsh spotlight, right?
Yeah, totally.
You're blinded if you're under it, but you take 2 steps left and you're in the dark. DMT makes this QSC act more like a perfectly diffused room lamp.
Right, so everyone gets the exact same 105-degree conical coverage.
Exactly.
And the reason that works is, well, normally the bass and treble act like 2 different overlapping spotlights.
Creating those weird audio shadows. Exactly, or dead zones. But here you have an 8-inch paper woofer handling the low notes, and then a 1-inch compression driver handling the highs.
Okay, so 2 separate components.
Right. And the DMT physically blends their directivity so seamlessly that as you walk from, say, the hostess stand to your table, the music doesn't suddenly drop out or sound muddy.
That makes a lot of sense.
Hmm.
Okay, so the acoustic math is brilliant. But let's be real, none of that matters if the speaker fries after a month hanging above a deep fryer.
Which is exactly why the physical engineering is so rugged. I mean, the enclosure is heavy-duty ABS plastic.
And the grill is powder-coated aluminum, I saw.
Yeah. And it uses this award-winning X-Mount system so that once a contractor aims it at a specific table, it never slowly droops or slips out of place.
Okay, I buy the mounting part, but wait, splash resistance. I'm looking at the spec sheet, and it lists an IP54 dust and splash resistance rating, plus a sealed Euroblock connector.
Right, it's very thoroughly weather-treated.
But it's an indoor speaker hanging in a retail concourse. Why does it need to survive a rainstorm? Is that really necessary?
Well, think about what is actually floating in the air of a bustling indoor environment.
Like just dust.
Dust, sure. There is constant microscopic dust from thousands of people walking by every single day. But also, if this is in a restaurant, there's aerosolized grease from the kitchens.
Oh, right. Gross.
Yeah, and humidity from the HVAC systems. All of that gets pulled straight into the electronics.
So it just builds up over time.
Exactly. To maintain that precise $800 sound quality over years of continuous operation, you absolutely need that intense weather treating and the sealed input covers.
It has to be built like a tank just to sound like a concert hall.
It really is the ultimate invisible infrastructure. It's
Yeah.
doing all the heavy lifting while we think we're just reacting to the visual decor.
So the next time you are out in public and you hear perfectly crisp background music, just look up.
You'll know exactly the kind of heavy-duty acoustic engineering hanging just above your head.
Which leaves me wondering, honestly, if this level of precise 105-degree acoustic design is seamlessly integrated into our daily environments, how much of our mood and behavior in public spaces is being subconsciously directed by unseen soundscapes?